Hello everyone, my name is Raisa. Today I want to talk about how social media is changing our brain and society. We use social media every day. It's fun and helpful, but it also affects our brain. Every like and notification give us a small feeling of reward, so we keep scrolling. Over time, this makes our attention span is shorter and it becomes harder for us to focus on a long task. Social media also influence how we see ourselves. We often compare our real life to perfect photo online, and that can cause stress and insecurity. In society, social media spread information very fast. This can be positive. People can learn about new things, support business, and share idea. But it can also spread misinformation and cause online argument. So, social media has both good and bad side. We should use it wisely instead of letting it control us. So that's all speech from me. Thank you for listening and goodbye.